I love it when my clients once a week send out to their entire list, clients, prospects, COIs, a very short email. You could say like, here are my weekly reads for what I've read this week. Here's what's inspired me. And what it is basically curated content. So maybe it's a link to an article, maybe a YouTube video, like 3 or 5 things, nothing heavy duty. And it goes out and totally value add, and that will get you a lot of thanks and kudos, and it keeps you in front of the clients. We're not pitching product, we're looking to add value. So here's the one thing I want you to always think about when it comes to your marketing. Is this going to add value to my target audience, or is this just a bunch of noise?